If he just went quiet, if he pulled away, and you feel that familiar knot of panic twisting in your stomach, stop right now. He's gone quiet, and in your head the words are spinning. I must have done something wrong. Or, he's losing interest. Stop that thought right now. That instinct to panic is dead wrong. That instinct to chase or fix him will make him pull away faster, every single time. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the most powerful piece of control, a counterintuitive psychological shift that breaks the toxic chase dynamic and makes him miss you immediately. Step 1 is simple, but it changes everything. You must acknowledge the distance once, then immediately pivot your focus away from him. No chasing, no texting, no asking, "What's wrong?" This is the only way to make him wonder what he's losing. I want you to know this. That panic you feel, it is normal. You are not overly emotional, and you are absolutely not asking for too much. Your fear is simply a response to uncertainty. The only reason I can tell you this with certainty is because we have seen thousands of high-value women, particularly those over 40, feel this exact emotional distance. They felt confused, they felt desperate, and they were ready to give up. But every single one of them, once they stopped chasing, and once they finally put this simple, counterintuitive shift into action, they watch their partner instantly come back closer. This works. It is simply about using the correct psychology. But here is why that panic you feel always leads to heartbreak. You are following the lie. The lie is the toxic, wrong advice you learn from movies and friends. That when a man pulls back, you have to lean in. You start chasing. You try to fix him. You offer solutions. You try to convince him to stay. And what happens? You become a human stressor. He sees you trying to manage his emotions, and it triggers his deepest unconscious urge to escape. This is the pattern that has left you confused and hurt every single time. It is not your fault. It is just bad strategy. The truth is, your focus needs to be entirely counterintuitive. This is the truth. His distance is a test of your emotional security. And the only way to pass this test is to make yourself unavailable for a set period. You pivot, not because you're playing games, but because you are demonstrating to his unconscious mind that your happiness and your life do not depend on him. When you pivot your focus, you trigger the fear of loss. You shift from a stressor to a desire. And that is the psychological rule that makes him stop pulling away and start actively chasing you again. Now, the strategy of pivoting your focus is powerful. It will stop the bleeding and stop him from pulling away further. But to be completely honest with you, that free piece of advice is incomplete. And this is where most women get stuck in relapse. The reason he keeps coming back, only to pull away again, is because you are missing the single most crucial piece of information, which is the timing fix. How long do you pivot for? 48 hours? A week? When is the exact moment to re-engage without seeming desperate or seeming cold? If you guess wrong, you end up repeating the cycle of heartbreak, but faster. Here is the real problem. The hot and cold cycle will only end when you activate his secret obsession, the one unconscious psychological trigger that makes a man feel devoted to one woman. The full emotional re-engagement method, which is waiting for you at the first link below inside his secret obsession, gives you the exact countdown of hours and days he needs to reset his emotional distance, so you know precisely when to shift your energy back to him and pull him in for good. Stop guessing. Get the timing fix and the secret obsession blueprint. Part 2, Value Delivery and Mistakes, the Irresistible Display. Welcome back. Now that you have the timing fix for the pivot, step 1, let's talk about the final, most crucial step, the irresistible display. Step 2. The first step was to pivot your focus away from him. The second step is to actively re-engage with your life and showcase, not tell, your happiness. You must be genuinely busy, genuinely joyful, and genuinely unbothered. This is the difference between playing a game and living a high-value life. When he sees that you are emotionally stable and thriving, it achieves two things simultaneously. One, it dismantles his assumption that he is the center of your world. Two, it reactivates his hunter instinct, making him requalify himself to be in your life. Now you have to avoid the one mistake that ruins this entire shift. The mistake of emotional pressure. Most women fail right here because they mistake the pivot for an opportunity to lecture, interrogate, or vent all their built-up feelings the moment he returns. Mistake. The moment he texts, "Hey," you text back, "We need to talk about why you pulled away." If you pressure him, even subtly, you instantly become the stressor again. You undo all the psychological distance you created, and he will pull back faster and harder than before. Your only job when he reaches out after your pivot is to be light, confident, and warm, as if nothing happened. You only respond with, "I'm so busy, but I'd love to see you this weekend." Remember, he is seeking relief from his own stress, not a homework assignment. Give him the warmth and safety he needs, and watch his devotion snap back instantly. Now, why do we call this the hero instinct? Because it's not just about getting him to text back. It's about ending the cycle of insecurity for you. Imagine this future. You are never again standing by your phone, staring at a blank screen, running the checklist of, did I text too much? Did I say the wrong thing? That exhausting guessing game is over. When you have the full method, you gain certainty. You gain the psychological roadmap that tells you exactly why he pulls back, what he needs, and precisely when he will come back closer. This certainty translates to true emotional security. You'll feel the difference. You'll be unbothered, unavailable, and genuinely magnetic. When he is devoted, when he is the one chasing you, afraid to lose you, that is the final outcome. You move from being the woman who chases to the woman who is effortlessly pursued, and you achieve the kind of secure, devoted relationship you deserve. Ready to claim that certainty and end the guessing games for good? You have the awareness now, but awareness is not action. And action without a complete plan leads to the same heartbreak. The hot and cold cycle will not end until you stop treating his distance like a relationship problem and start treating it like a psychological problem with a scientific solution, which is activating his secret obsession. If you are ready to stop guessing, stop hoping, and finally put an end to the hot and cold cycle, then it is time for certainty. Click the first link directly below this video to claim the full His Secret Obsession System, which includes the complete hero instinct. This is not just theory. This is the only system that gives you the step-by-step roadmap for every single stage of his distance, from the moment he pulls away to the moment he is back and devoted. Click the first link right now. Don't guess. Don't worry. Get the His Secret Obsession System today and claim the certainty of his devotion.